Wow, I was right there from start to finish. I beat Jackson Storm and won the race. You did, Lightning. Oh, I never win races for a very long time. Well, get ready for another blast from the past. Old time and old days. Looks like you're ready to win another race, Lightning McQueen. And it's been quite a week in racing since New Year's. After a short break, we pull into the none other than the champ Imp Racing Pro Lightning McQueen to continue on winning races in Jackson Storm as he put the old losing streak behind him and began a brand new winning streak. Hey, Lightning! Thanks for stopping by! What? Old time advised? Chick, it's been a long time since I've been fighting that losing streak. Oh, that old losing streak of yours, huh? Chick, why did you... I don't want to tell the racing fans of you. Old number 95 had won just 7 races last year. Alright, I get it. I won the first race in May, right? What, with Jackson Storm? Yes. Ha! That's preposterous! Nah, nothing shares like a barren, terror crash and burn. Just like you! Your crash happened in 2017, and you were properly overdue, my friend. Right, Navy? Well, there are a few flags in the statistics, Lightning. Going by the numbers, I might say Jackson Storm has great wins than yours, and by the numbers, how many times you lose? I'm gonna say lots of losers, like 200. See, that's the real problem, Navy. You can't just inspiring losers who just get their winning streaks back again. I'm back to winning races. Am I right, David? Yeah, duh. If I learned anything from McQueen, as I learned to be a crew chief, as I was spewing over Hicks, you can't beat him, chick. Huh. Interesting. Volcania! Are you the way to race with Lightning McQueen? So far, so good. I jump-started a brand new winning streak. Haha! How many have I win this time? In a few years later, 2018. 4, 5, I'm gonna say 125. Haha! Wait, are we recording? Ha! Always! Haha! Oh, Lightning, you always crack me up. No, I haven't. Oh, yes, you are. No, I haven't! Well, you are. So what do you say, Volcania? You up for a race with him? Oh, anytime, Tick. I would love to race against last place Lightning. He always loses races to Jackson Storm. Haha! So, Lightning, are you ready to compete with me? I'm the fastest race car in the world, so you will face me in a race no matter if you like it or not. First of all, I'm in Lightning McQueen's crew chief. And second, I can beat you in the race no matter what. In sparing nerves. Take your pick, Volcania. Hey, hold on there, Mr. David. It's now Lightning McQueen's turn to face against Volcania. We'll bring this racing season high to the spectacular racing season's most highly anticipated events of this year. The first race of 2025. Oh, I'll get ready. Oh, go in the cabin room, Lightning. Your hot rods will be in good shape. So join me this season as Chicks Pigs with Chick Hicks presents Lightning McQueen versus Volcania MacKarenson. So, I hear you're still a racing pro, huh? Ha! No! Oh, that's it! Oh no! Poor Lightning! Go, Volcania! Ka-ching! Oh, I'll show you what a real number 95 could do after I won my 8th race. I'm almost to the top. To the top, and I'm down. I'm the winner. Tom Tunky is gonna be so proud. What? No offense, Volcania. That's how we do it out here. Why? Why? Well, Tom, today proves that Lightning McQueen can win twice for cheating and contesting. How does this guy win even one race after another, let alone this many? You know, Chick, I kinda agreed with you. Lightning could have done anything to win more races than any other racers. That's what I'm saying! Oh, Volcania, I'm coming! Well, Lightning, I gotta say, you really did beat Volcania, did you? Well, yeah, I learned it from Doc. No, you learned it from me. You? That's right. Besides, I'm your new crew chief to replace Doc. So what's the occasion? Oh, I'm so looking forward to the next race in the future. Oh, Lightning, you truly are. Volcania! What happened? I lost! What? Oh no! No! I got to call the race officials! You lose to what? I know, sir, I'm really sorry. If I ever take the track against Lightning, none of this would happen. None of us would happen? You lost against McQueen, didn't you? I'm sorry, Avery Carolyn. I tried. Then that doesn't even matter. Lightning McQueen must be killed. Go out there and kill Lightning McQueen. The old number 95 needs to be scrapped. Yes, sir. And don't let me down, Volcania. Yes, sir. I guess that I won my 8th race. I'm going to be looking forward to the next race in a few months. But what will my next win be against somebody? Only time will tell for Chick's Picks with Chick Hicks. What? What was that? What? Who's there? Did somebody get banged? What? I am afraid I cannot see you. Where did you... Well, Lightning McQueen. Huh? You! Oh, yes, Lightning. I'm back. What are you doing in Radiator Springs? Me? Oh, I came to destroy you. Destroy me? Are you gonna destroy me? Yes, Lightning. This is for Avery McKarenson. And hey, what about a rematch? Huh? What about a rematch? No. It's time for you to die. Oh, no, you don't. Did it work? Did I hit Lightning? Yoo-hoo! Oh, come and get me! You won't stop me that easily, Lightning! I will hunt you for all eternity! You will... I swear I will never rest until I destroy you! If it's the last ever on ever. Man, that car is so angry and so mad. How did Volcania try to kill me? Did his boss Avery did something? Oh well, I'm just thinking no, it's not. Huh, what could it be? I don't know who's Avery MacKarenson is, but it sounds hilarious.